Here we are. So Nick, where are we?
We are at Canada's Wonderland, and we are about to ride the all-new for 2025 AlpenFury.
And this is our actual first ride. You guys are coming along for our very first ride. Here we go. We're gonna launch twice. We're gonna take 9 inversions through this awesome Premier Rides launch coaster. Let's do this.
We've got the all clear.
Here we go.
Are out of here and ready to go.
All right, Nick, here we go.
All right.
Are you ready?
Ready to be launched into the mountain.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Holy cow! All right, first inversion. Amazing. All right, there you have it. That is AlpenFury, Canada's Wonderland. Nick, 4 thumbs up.
Absolutely.
Amazing.
Let's go ride again.
I can't wait.